Hey guys, Ty here with Waterworld, and that was Whit herself jumping in off her kayak, going for a swim. Nicely done. Here she is swimming around some more, and myself, of course, jumping in, taking advantage of this. So this video, it is not related to kayaking or paddleboarding. We were just out on a hike, and we had hiked up, and at the end of our journey, this is what we got to take in. Really something spectacular. It was the icing on the cake. So a waterfall. It was just the most refreshing shower I had ever taken in my life. That's really what it was, right? But just something about it. I mean, being in a waterfall, being under a waterfall, right? Being in behind it, it's something really special. You feel that force, that pressure. You can really see Mother Nature's there. Flowing that water, you feel that water world moving over you. So it's just something we're really passionate about. We're water activists, I guess, right? So enjoy the water, play in the water, drink water, live a healthy lifestyle. And that's what it's all about, really, right, guys? So just wanted to share it with you, show you this kind of clip. It's pretty neat experience for sure. So if you get that opportunity, just go for it. Don't think twice about things. It might be the only chance you get to do it. So, and I promise you, you'll never forget it, and you'll just feel like a totally different person through those experiences. So anyways, that's about it for now. I'll let you watch the end of the clip. This is Ty with Waterworld. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and there's lots more to come. Bye for now.